Do you want to search for something on your computer using a single shortcut key? Do you want to compress the images using a just few clicks? Or would you like to extract text from the image, video or anywhere on the screen? So don't worry, in this video I am not going to share 1, 2 or 3 but 7 great features that will make you more productive. So make sure to watch this video until the end. So hello everybody, I am Ajay Yadav. Again welcome back to my channel. तो चलिए इस डाउट को आउट करते हैं. Although this is not a fully Windows features, once you download this application into your system, you will not need to run it again and again because its great features are also accessible via their corresponding shortcut keys. So you can access all features by just using the shortcut keys. One side note, this is an open source project that is managed by Microsoft itself. So I hope it will be integrated into the Windows operating system very soon. But first we must install an application on our Windows system. Let's open the Microsoft Store and search PowerToys in the search bar and then download and install it from here. The first tool is an image resizer. Yes, using this tool you can compress one or more than one images on your computer. After installing PowerToys, right click on one or more selected image files in File Explorer and then select Resize Pictures from the menu. Now select one of the preset sizes according to your requirements. Otherwise, you can set custom sizes on the fly using this button. But if you want to set the custom size as above, then you can also do it from the PowerToys application. Now the next awesome tool is Text Extractor. Using this tool, you can copy the text from the images, videos or anywhere on the Windows screen. Just press Windows Shift T shortcut keys and select over the desired images, videos or anywhere on the screen. And now all text will be stored in your Windows clipboard. You can access the clipboard using the Windows and V keys. Now the next tool is Mouse Utilities. Using this tool, you can activate the spotlight that focuses on the mouse cursor. Just press twice on the left control key on your keyboard and the spotlight should appear like this. It's the best tool if you want to focus on a particular part of the screen. The next tool is a Screen Ruler. Using this tool, you can measure the elements in pixels value. To activate this tool, use the Windows Shift M shortcut keys and you will notice that there are 4 options has been appeared for measuring the elements on the screen. The first one is used for measuring the custom boxes. Click and drag your mouse and you will see the exact pixel values according to the box. But if you hold the shift keys, all boxes will be displayed on the screen at the same time until you cancel the interaction. The second one is used for measure horizontal and vertical spacing at the same time. Click the symbol and hover your mouse over the target location on the screen. The third one is used for measure horizontal spacing on the screen. Similarly, the fourth one is used for measure vertical spacing on the screen. And finally, the last one is used to cancel this interaction. Now the next tool is the color picker, which enables you to pick colors from anywhere on the screen and copy them to your clipboard. To activate this tool, you need to use the Windows Shift C shortcut keys. Now hover over the target location on the screen and click on that location. You will see a pop-up like this. From here, you can copy the color code in different mode like HSL, hex code or RGB mode. Now the name of the sixth tool is Always on Top, which is used to pin window to the top of all your windows. To activate and deactivate this tool, press the Windows Ctrl T keys and now this Windows is pinned on top of all active windows on my computer. Now if I open another window, then no other windows will be open because this window will now always be on top of all activated windows. To deactivate this tool, again we need to use the same shortcut keys. And the last one is one of my favorite among all of them, and trust me, it will be very helpful to you as well, which is the PowerToys Run tool. And oh my god, this is great tool among all of them. Using this tool, you can search anything from your computer and you can even do mathematical calculations. To activate this tool, use the Alt and Space bar keys and see the magic. I used this tool hundreds of times in a single day to search and perform mathematical calculations. And now you are going to love this tool, am I right? On that note, I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let me know in the comment box and hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.